In example 2, we're going to solve and graph 4.8 plus c is greater than negative 3.2. Just as if it was an equation, we're going to solve for the variable c. The inverse of adding 4.8 to each side is subtracting 4.8 from each side. And if you do that to one side, you've got to do it to the other. That makes a zero pair, and c is greater than negative 8. As always, because it's an inequality, we have to illustrate our answer on a number line. So I'm going to put negative 8 in the middle and a couple of numbers on either side. C is greater than negative 8, so I put the hollow circle at negative 8, and then I want to shade my arrow. I'm going to shade to the right because it's greater than, and I'll shade the arrow at the end as well. And that's the solution for 4.8 plus c is greater than negative 3.2.